I think the moment you realize that, कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि क्या कहते हैं यार, मैं कुछ भी बोल देती हूँ यार, मैं कुछ भी कर देती हूँ, ठीक है. Naturally talking, I'm kind of an overthinker, okay? So when I'm sitting, my mind is like a bee buzz. कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहेगा. My friend is like, क्या करना है स्कूल के बाद? I was like, MBA. बोलती पागल हो गया? MBA से पहले भी कुछ करना पड़ता है. I was like, अच्छा. जब मेरा मन करता है मैं ड्राइंग कर सकती हूँ, बट अगेन जब मेरा मन करता है एक स्पेसिफिक जगह होती है, मुझे कॉफी चाहिए, मुझे गाना चाहिए. I will never believe that you are telling me that 24 hours तुम सिर्फ बैठ के पढ़ाई करते हो. Fareen Aman being emotional means there's a tsunami coming in. So I'm sorry, I'm in the extremes. Even in life, even at work, I'm hardcore into loyalty. I think the moment you accept yourself how you are, कोई कुछ भी बोल ले, जिसको जो बोलना है बोल ले, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Priorities and choices.
हाय, हमने कल के वीडियो एसे में डिकोड किया कि कैसे पॉपुलर कल्चर की कहानियां हमारे वर्ल्ड व्यू और हमारे डिजायर्स को शेप करती हैं और कैसे प्रीवियस डेकेड के पॉप कल्चर ने हम मिलेनियल्स को पैशन वर्सेस प्रोफेशन के वर्ल्ड व्यू से इन्फ्लुएंस किया है. Whether you are following your passion or not, but we all bought the idea of it. But today I'm going to introduce you to Fareen, a truly unique guest. क्योंकि जहां हम मिलेनियल्स हसल करके अपने क्रिएटिव इंटरेस्ट को अपना प्रोफेशन बनाने में लगे हैं, वहीं फरीन बीइंग अ मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी आर्टिस्ट एंड एन आर्ट एजुकेटर इस तरह की सोच नहीं रखती. In addition to being an art head, which is the name of her Instagram handle, professionally Fareen works in sales for housing.com. She is based in Kolkata and did her MBA from MIT Noida, where she used to sit at the back of the class and doodle. Fareen calls her art her happy place, but doesn't wish to mint money out of it. इसीलिए हमने रियलाइज किया कि फरीन इकिगाई के 3 out of 4 elements, passion, profession और mission को fulfill करती है. She has somewhat figured out her purpose in life. और आज के एपिसोड में मैंने इसी बारे में उनसे बात की है, that how she is able to find the perfect balance between her art and her work, and why she doesn't want to make her passion her profession. So sit tight and gather your art weapons, because I'm sure इस एपिसोड के बाद definitely आपका ड्राइंग करने का मन करेगा.
आप 12 के बाद क्या करेंगे आप नहीं तय करते, आपका मोहल्ला तय करता है.
हर चीज के पीछे एक क्राफ्ट, वो क्राफ्ट सीखना. You have to question every single thing.
I don't want to compromise with what I want to do. What is my dream?
Two greatest gifts life has given you. One is the freedom to fail and the ability to say, I don't know.
Creativity means I'm going to try out something. Maybe it will succeed, maybe it will fail.
Knowledge is free and it's yours to inherit.
Hey Fareen, welcome to Pink City Podcast presents Creative Shots. It's been so long. I'm trying to bring you on this conversation on this call. So I'm so glad. I'm so happy to have you here finally.
I'm genuinely very happy to be a part of this. Like, I know we've literally been, I mean, when I was reading our conversations, I think the last time we had a conversation was like one and a half year back. So, I mean, you've grown, I've grown, your work has grown, my work has grown. So, yeah, like, good to be back.
And all the art head students who have tuned in, आज हम आपकी दीदी के सारे सीक्रेट्स ओपन करने वाले हैं. So, do check out. हम पिंक सिटी पॉडकास्ट पे अनकन्वेंशनल करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज के बारे में एक्सप्लोर करते हैं एंड स्पेशली क्रिएटिव शॉर्ट्स में वी आर डिकोडिंग क्रिएटिविटी चैप्टर बाय चैप्टर. सो डू चेक आउट ऑल द वीडियोस एंड शैल वी बिगिन.
Yeah.
सो फरीन, माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, मैंने ना 2020 लॉकडाउन में आपका अकाउंट फिगर आउट किया था. अर्शीन जो फरीन की सिस्टर हैं उन्हें मैं जानता हूँ बॉम्बे से. सो आई stumbled upon her Insta lives that she was doing and उस टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा फॉलोअर्स नहीं थे, लेकिन in 3 months I saw you crossing 10K and surprising was the impact that you had on your followers. कि बच्चे आपको अपना ड्राइंग आर्ट भेज रहे हैं और बहुत सारे आपको मैंने AMA पढ़े थे आपके, तो आपने बहुत सारे बच्चे आपको कह रहे थे कि हमने हमारा खुद का आर्ट चैनल शुरू किया है, आपका म्यूजिक बहुत अच्छा है, आपका एस्थेटिक बहुत अच्छा है. सो तो 10K फॉलोअर्स इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं है जितना वो इम्पैक्ट बहुत हाई था. द एंगेजमेंट लेवल वॉज सो हाई एंड इट वॉज सो एंटरटेनिंग एंड सूदिंग टू वॉच योर लाइव्स कि यू आर ड्रॉइंग, द म्यूजिक वॉज देयर एंड एवरीथिंग. सो ऐसा क्या क्रैक किया आपने कि इम्पैक्ट इतना हाई था? आई नो सोशल मीडिया गेम हम सब समझते हैं, यू हैव टू बी कंटिन्यूअस, यू हैव टू बी वैल्यू एडिंग कंटेंट एंड एवरीथिंग, बट व्हाट डिड यू क्रैक कि फरीन दीदी से ही सीखना है, या यू एबल टू क्रिएट योर ओन ब्रांड वेरी 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 फास्ट?
See, honestly, when I started doing my live sessions, it was very random. It was like out of the blue. Like I just went live one day and I was like, it's lockdown, and I want to draw. Why not? I just go online and draw. If anybody wants to draw with me, they'll draw. So it started off like that, and mainly the thing was that every day I used to go there with the purpose of drawing and having a conversation with people and not actually teaching people. For me, these live sessions were just like, I'm going to draw, you draw with me, and we chill. So in those sessions, there were not just people who were drawing, there were also people who were just there for, everybody was there for different reasons.
I wasn't drawing.
Somebody was there to just laugh at the conversations we were having. Somebody was just there to, just have a normal conversation. Somebody was just there because they were bored. Somebody was drawing, and somebody was there for music. So I think that comfort level, that entire thing where I literally made friends more than, people call it followers and this and that. I think it was engaging because we were talking, It was not a push thing that, I'm teaching, just take it from me. It was more like, let's chill and, have fun. And I am that kind of a person, so I can't do anything about it. It was more than, I think, people, it was very surprising for me because, in general as a person, कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है कि क्या कहते हैं, यार मैं कुछ भी बोल देती हूँ, यार मैं कुछ भी कर देती हूँ, ठीक है. फिर जब ये सब शुरू किया and everything, and then people were like there and they were understanding. So for me also it was like कि बहुत अच्छा लगता था. It was like अरे मैं बात कर रही हूँ, वो भी बात करेगी, ये भी बात करे, and everybody is having a good time. And at the end of that 1 hour, which used to be for 1 hour, there have been times जब वो 2 घंटा तक stretch होता था sessions. और क्यों होता था? क्योंकि सबके सब लोग बस मस्ती कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे. So yeah, I think probably that was one of the main reason why I think people were there. सब लोग आते थे, सब लोग रहते थे, क्योंकि सबके लिए वो एक कोविड के टाइम में चिल करने का टाइम था कि पूरे दिन में कुछ भी करे. ये कुछ टाइम है जब हम लोग सब गाने सुनेंगे, मस्ती करेंगे, ड्राइंग करना होगा ड्राइंग करेंगे, बातें करेंगे. So probably that's why
your channel name is Art Head, right? So you were transferring, you were adding value through your art. People were creating with you.
See, honestly, how do I explain it? So can I give you an incident? A very recent incident.
Please.
So I went out partying, and I'm not going to name the person. So I went out partying, और एक दो बार ऐसा हुआ कैलकाटा में, ऐसी मस्ती कर रहे, कॉफी पी रहे या कहीं पार्टी करने गया ना, अचानक से this one person comes and the person is like, क्या Art Head? And I'm like yeah, and then ऐसे करके bye होके चला गया. So there was अभी recently last week there was this one kid क्या, there was a girl, kid क्या बोलूं, like she came to me in between the party and अचानक से she's like I started my own mandala channel. I have an institute now where I'm like, I'm teaching people, and it's all because of you. And I am not kidding, Laksh. I was just standing there and I was just looking at her. I was like, मेरी वजह से. And then she's like, हाँ. And I was like, कैसे? I don't know how to explain it because I feel very nice जब कोई आके मेरे को ये चीज बोलता है, but आज तक, and I think I'm glad that आज तक मुझे समझ में नहीं आया how exactly am I adding value. But I mean, knowing that I am adding value, probably because my words resonate with someone, it makes me happy. So yeah.
So sweet यार. नहीं, you are adding value. वो मैं आगे मैं खुद prove करूँगा कैसे. You will get to know that. So one thing that I figured out, tell me, जो हमने first time बात करी थी ना, उस conversation के अंदर ये बहुत छोटा सा part था जब मैंने बहुत stress दिया था कि नहीं यार कुछ तो आप अलग कर रहे हो जो crack करने की कोशिश करो. So you said कि ना maybe आपने मेरे से पूछा कि लक्ष्य ड्राइंग करते थे. मैं कहा बचपन में थोड़ा बहुत. कहते अगर मैं तुम्हारे सामने बहुत डिफिकल्ट सी ड्राइंग रख दूं.
You reminded me of good part. So उसका basically क्या था ना कि स्टार्टिंग में क्या होता था, जब भी आई यूज्ड टू गो लाइव का जैसे कि टाइम दिया वैसे ही मेरे को मैसेजेस आने लगते थे, फरीन व्हाट आर यू टीचिंग टुडे, व्हाट आर यू टीचिंग टुडे, व्हाट आर यू टीचिंग टुडे. अब मैंने कुछ दिन सोचा कि मैं बताती हूँ, ठीक है. अब सबको बताने के चक्कर में मुझे भी अपना दिमाग लगाना पड़ता था सेशन से पहले कि यार क्या बनाना है आज, ठीक है. सो वो मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर होता था कि बिफोर द सेशन थिंकिंग क्या बनाना है, फिर जाके बनाना है. सो वो फॉर मी ऑल्सो इट वाज लाइक एक प्रोसेस फॉलो कर रहा है. So starting of 1 or 2 times I did that. After that, what I started doing was I was like, जो है वो लेके आ जाओ, पेन है, पेंसिल, पेपर, कलर, जो दिख रहा है, अगर ड्राइंग करनी है बस लेके आ जाओ. And then, you know, people used to just get it. And then starting में बहुत सारे लोग, what are you making? What are you making? I was like, मैं नहीं बता रही. जो करना कर लो, मैं नहीं बता रही. So उसमें क्या होता था ना, because for वही, like I told you, एक होता है, you see an artwork or you see any object, ठीक है? Every object that is around you, वो छोटी चीजों को मिला के एक बड़ी चीज बनी है, right?
True.
So art is also like that. So इसीलिए what I started doing was, you know, आ जाओ, ज्वाइन कर लो, एंड देन धीरे धीरे करके सब बनाते थे. सो एवरीबडी यूज्ड टू फील नाइस दैट यू नो इट वाज वेरी इजी टू डू इट. अगर पहले से मैंने दिखा दिया कि ताजमहल बनाना है, तो कोई देखेगा और बोलेगा अरे ताजमहल बनाना है. बट अगर मैं ताजमहल की जगह इफ आई स्टार्ट पुटिंग स्मॉल स्क्वायर्स एंड रेक्टेंगल्स इन प्लेस, एंड देन यू नो I start adding smaller squares and details and things like that, you will not even understand when you make the Taj Mahal. I mean, I think this is what I believe in life also, that stop looking at the bigger picture. You know, you start focusing on the small things in your life. छोटी छोटी चीजें जब फोकस करोगे ना ऐसे ऐसे करके, सब कब वो बड़ा हो कि क्या बन जाएगा तुमको पता नहीं है.
True. मैं एक इंसिडेंट बताता हूँ. मेरी ना चाची भी आपके लाइव्स फॉलो करती थी, बट मुझे पता नहीं था ये बात का. तो मैंने एक दिन, क्योंकि वो आर्ट एंड ड्राइंग में उनका इंटरेस्ट है, तो मैंने उनको एक दिन बताया कि आपने फरीन अमान का अकाउंट देखा है, वो मेरे नेक्स्ट कमिंग पॉडकास्ट पे गेस्ट है. तो बोली कौन फरीन? तो मैंने कहा आर्ट हेड नाम से पेज है. तो वो उन्होंने एकदम से रिकॉल हुआ, अरे हाँ आर्ट हेड, उसके तो मैं फॉलो करती हूँ उसे, तो मैंने तो देखे हैं, जिसके बाल आगे आते रहते हैं बार बार, फिर वो पीछे करती रहती है लाइव में. एंड आई वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस एंड आई लाफ्ड सो हार्ड. एक तो फर्स्ट सेकंड शी वाज लाइक मुझे नहीं पता फरीन कौन है, एंड देन शी सेड समथिंग अबाउट यू लाइक दिस, और मैंने खुद फिर बाद में बहुत नोटिस किया इस बात को. इट्स फनी व्हाट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शंस यू गेट ऑन योर इंस्टा लाइव्स. एक तो म्यूजिक का है, नो डाउट कि फरीन हैज अ गुड टेस्ट ऑफ म्यूजिक.
हाँ, एक म्यूजिक वाला है जो बहुत आता है, म्यूजिक. दूसरा है लॉट ऑफ पीपल आस्क मी अबाउट माय वर्कशॉप्स. अब ये सब काम रिलेटेड हो गया कि वर्कशॉप कब है, लाइव सेशन कब है, दीदी ड्राइंग करनी है, ये करनी है, ये वाला, ये हो गया काम रिलेटेड. तो अभी रिसेंटली आई गॉट माय हेयर कट. आई जस्ट रैंडमली आई वाज लाइक कटवा लेती हूँ पूरे बाल. नाउ इन द रीसेंट पास्ट एवरीबडी इज बीन आस्किंग मी क्यों करवाया, क्या कैसे करवाया, हिम्मत कैसे आई, ये आई वो. एंड देन अगेन आई वाज लाइक बस गई, बोला काट दो. यू नो इट वाज एज रैंडम एज दैट. सो देयर वाज दिस वन पर्सन हु टोल्ड मी दैट you know, a lot of my cousins and my family members, they follow you. My aunt and everyone, everybody follows you and everything. And you know, they came to me, क्या मैंने उनको बोला कि फरीन ने बाल कटवा लिया. I was like, फरीन ने बाल कटवा लिया. So उसकी मम्मी ने या किसी ने बोला था कितने तो अच्छे बाल थे उसके, उसने बाल क्यों कटवा लिया. I was like, मेरी मम्मी भी यही बोलती है. So, you know, these kind of conversations which are like really personal. And plus, I don't know why, but I think I'm grateful. A lot of people I have seen, they like confiding in me on my art page, okay? And that is like a very personal thing, and you know, things like that. And कभी-कभी बहुत वैसा लगता है कि यार ठीक है, मतलब बात करती हूँ, सोचती नहीं हूँ, ये नहीं है वो नहीं है, बट जब कोई अपनी बहुत पर्सनल चीजें तुम्हारे साथ शेयर करता है ना, so एक बहुत what is the word यार, वैसा वाला फीलिंग आता है.
स्पेशल
एक वर्ड होता है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
अच्छा.
You feel like, I mean, you know, I don't know you, right? You don't know me, and then you come and share things with me because you trust me. Like you've not met me, but you trust me so much. And then you're sharing things with me. तो कभी-कभी मेरे को लगता है कि पता नहीं मैं सही बता पाऊंगी, नहीं बता पाऊंगी, क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा. तो हाँ, ऐसे छोटे-छोटे बहुत सारे.
That's because
एक बार तो मेरे को
you are adding value. That's because you are adding value through your content, right?
I know, and
you make your followers comfortable. जो भी आप में charm है या whatever, you need to decode that, but people feel comfortable around you.
Probably the reason why I make people feel comfortable is because in a way that is also something that I would want. You know, I don't want someone कि तुमसे मैं if I'm talking to you कि यार लक्ष्य ये तो यू आर लाइक फरीन ये करो ये करो ये करो, अरे ये नहीं चाहिए, आई जस्ट वांट यू टू लिसन टू मी and then just throw it away. You know, I'm just looking for a listener, and I think a lot of people are looking for listeners. They're looking for people who are just going to listen to you and not give you an advice, but they're going to be there for you. So yeah, अब serious topic से एक funny topic पे आ जाते हैं.
प्लीज
Incidents का you were saying, तो मेरे को याद है, मेरे को एकदम येलो कुरकुरे खाना था.
आई रिमेम्बर दैट,
I don't
प्लीज
know
गो
if you have. कैलकाटा में कहीं नहीं मिलता, and अचानक से एकदम, you know, it was from the past God knows how many months. I was just looking at it and I was like, यार कैलकाटा में क्यों नहीं मिलता? So I was like, end of the day, my saviors are these people. I went, I was like, मुझे येलो कुरकुरे खाना है, प्लीज बता दो कहाँ मिलेगा. I am not kidding, Laksh. I have cartons. I've had cartons sent to me. It lasted me for like 2-3 months. I had like 2-3 people. They literally went to the mart and everything. वहाँ पे जाके pictures लेके मेरे को भेज रहे हैं कौन सा वाला चाहिए. And I was like, यार ऐसा क्या किया है मैंने that people are, you know, so loving. It's really cute.
पर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि इस ड्राइंग, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ड्राइंग पेंटिंग आपका बचपन से मतलब प्राइमरी क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटी रही होगी, बिकॉज जैसे मेरा डांस रहा है तो वहां से क्रिएटिविटी आपकी शुरू होती है, एंड देन यू स्टम्बल्ड अपॉन डिफरेंट थिंग्स. समवन स्टिक टू द प्राइमरी पार्ट दैट दे स्टार्टेड टू एंड समवन शिफ्ट टू दैट. तो मैं जैसे डांस से शिफ्ट होके, एक्टिंग से शिफ्ट होके, फिर फाइनली कंटेंट पे आ गया. बट तो सिमिलरली आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि आपका भी कोई ना कोई क्रिएटिव स्टार्टिंग रहा होगा. सो हाउ डिड योर जर्नी स्टार्टेड एंड हाउ डिड यू बिकेम आर्ट हेड द यू आर राइट नाउ?
Okay. So, you want to know like my बचपन से अभी तक का creative journey, right?
Yeah. Please go on.
Cool.
Take your time.
So, पहला चीज, I was never really into art. ठीक है. I was like, वो क्लास 1-2 में बचपन में नहीं होता है, मम्मी ड्राइंग क्लास में डाल देती है, कराटे में डाल देती है, स्विमिंग में डाल देती है. So there was this one thing which was very nice. I'll say about my mother that she put me in everything. Okay, I was in everything. So I went for drawing classes, but भाई वो जो बचपन में छोटे बच्चों को नहीं भेज देते हैं. अब मुझे लगता है कि पेरेंट्स को चाहिए होता है यार बच्चे थोड़ी देर दूर है तो वो वाला कॉन्सेप्ट. बट हाँ, my mother had put me and my sister and I in drawing. We were in karate. We used to swim, table tennis, basketball. I was very good with sports. My sister was better in running, but apart from that, I was very good in sports. I was into dance. So, bachpan se I was kind of like, you know, into everything. So, I was raita phela hua hota hai na jaise. I was like raita. हर तरफ फैला हुआ था. ठीक है. I used to do everything. So, it was never like art. Not even in my wildest dreams as a kid, I would have known that I would have a page called Art Head and I would be, you know, creating art, and there will be people who will actually be no idea about all of this.
You really don't know everything that you're doing. You know, I didn't plan to become chief belief officer of a company. You know, something just happened. You know, I didn't plan to be giving lectures at TED. You don't plan these things. मेरे को यहाँ से वहाँ पहुँचना है. So I was very clear that I want to have a good life, for which I need a source of income. I need something that makes me happy. So I had a job which gave me a source of income. I had a hobby that made me happy. And they were going together. It's just that one day वो ikigai के circles होते हैं ना, वो धीरे धीरे करके, and then the market also wants it. But it's not something that you do intentionally. All that, there was no secret. Right. कि मैं बैठ के सोच
What was intentional in this case is you nurtured that hobby for the sake of it.
For the sake of it.
It gave you a lot of pleasure and you pursued it.
Yeah, I think, you know, you follow I always follow what makes you happy. Now, what makes you happy may not make you money. So what made me money was my job, and what made me happy was my mythology. And one day the two came together.
To be honest, the only time I've actually taken classes was again during my क्या कहते हैं उसको, undergrads. During my undergrad, so मेरे कॉलेज में क्लासेस नहीं होते थे. And I was like रोज कॉलेज जाते हैं, कॉलेज जाके क्या करते हैं, रोज बस घूमते रहते थे and everything. So I was like, ठीक है. I was really fascinated at one point of my life. I was really fascinated by people who were into acrylic paintings, and you know, they were painting on canvases and stuff. So that's one thing which I wanted to learn. So I had taken a course. I had actually joined art classes for like 3 months during my BCom days, and उसके बाद मेरा एक painting था जो Indian ICCR है, full form मुझे याद नहीं है. ICCR में there was this exhibition where they had placed, and that again with time that went away. Literally after those 3 months ka classes, I think I again got bored and I started a chocolate business where I was making and selling chocolates.
अच्छा.
So yeah, so I did that for a few months after that. So you know, it's always been SSA for me. And then during my masters, what happened was I used to draw in class. I used to get bored. If any of my teacher ever watches this, I have been a good student, but yes, I used to get bored. So I used to get bored, and then वही पीछे बैठ के होता है ना, notebook में ऐसे ही doodle कर रहा है, sketch कर रहा है. The sweetest thing was that one of my teacher once told me that, Fareen, what are you doing in masters? You should be in, you know, the arts department. I was in Amity University, Noida, and she was like, you should be in the arts department. I was like, hey. And then, you know, I went to that side one day and then I saw so many paintings. I had tears in my eyes. I was like, kash, kuch aisa kar liya hota. And then that was again a one day momentary lapse. And then again, I was back to normal. Ki bore ho rahe to sketch. It was because of them that I actually created my page in 2016. So, to cut it short, no, I do not have an art background. I was never into art. I think boredom got me into art. I'm not a self-made artist. I'm a boredom-made artist.
लेकिन एक क्राफ्ट भी एक चीज होती है ना. मान लिया, सी आई अंडरस्टैंड कि गर्ल्स की जेन्युइनली ड्राइंग्स या पेंटिंग में वो अच्छे ही होते हैं. मेरी मॉम भी अच्छी है, मेरी सिस्टर भी अच्छी है. शी क्रिएटेड दिस, गेव मी ऑन माय बर्थडे पिंक सिटी पॉडकास्ट लोगो एंड दैट रणवीर सिंह. सो तो बट शी इज ऑल्सो नॉट ट्रेन्ड. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड कि ये ऐसी चीज नहीं है कि जिसके लिए आपको स्पेशली जाके ट्रेनिंग लेनी पड़े. अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट है तो आप इसको ग्रो कर सकते हो, बट क्राफ्ट के लिए प्रैक्टिस तो करना ही पड़ता है ना. इट कुडंट कम सडनली. और तो एक्सपोजर कैसे था? प्रैक्टिस तो करी होगी या सिर्फ 2016 में पेज खोलते ही प्रैक्टिस से यू वर सो गुड?
It actually started very randomly. Very randomly. I am not kidding. It was very random. ठीक है, I don't have a definition to this because क्लास में क्या होता है, एक नोटबुक होती है, एक पेन होता है. That is how, I mean, if you see my previous artworks, I started off with just black and white artworks. I just used to do pen work. So क्लास में बैठे हैं, कर रहे हैं. I used to stay in a hostel. So hostel में वही शाम को अगर टाइम मिला, and धीरे धीरे करके, you know, when I started drawing, I kind of developed an interest in it, you know, because naturally talking, I'm kind of an overthinker. Okay, so when I'm sitting, my mind is like a bee buzz. कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहेगा. भले it has nothing to do with my life, but it's going to go on in my head, and I can't do something about it. And then every time I used to sit and draw, you know, I think probably because of all the intricacies and, you know, and all the drawing and all of this, मेरे को ऐसा feel होता था that my mind has become very quiet and silent, you know, and I think that was something which really attracted me to continue doing art and like continuously keep doing it and doing it and doing it. It was never an intention to be an artist. I think it just happened because it was peaceful.
You find solace there.
Yeah, I find solace in art.
ग्रेट यार. मतलब मैं इसको आर्टिकुलेट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. यूजुअली क्या होता है कि आपको कोई भी चीज इस तरह की पसंद होती है, वेदर इज समथिंग रिलेटेड टू योर हॉबी और आर्टिस्ट, यू ट्राई टू पुश दैट थिंग कि नहीं ये अच्छा है, इसमें मेरा करियर बन सकता है, या मुझे मजा आता है तो मैं क्यों ना यही करता रहूं पूरा टाइम. बट दिस इज नॉट द सीन विद यू. यू जस्ट डू इट बिकॉज ऑफ द बोर्डम.
I used to do it because of the boredom. Now I do it because I find solace in art, just like we said it. It's very.
So now you have the channel to run. Yeah, you have to. Don't you think you have a channel to run?
To be very honest, it's not even about the channel, because if you'll go to my page, you will find out there have been certain phases where I have not posted anything at all. I have seen my followers go a particular place, then fall down, then go back. So, you know, for the past few months or so, you can say that probably because my life has either been here or it's been here. And because of that, you know, my artwork is either here or here. So, when I'm consistent, I'm like very consistent. But then there are phases where I take a pause, and I think it's okay, because end of the day, the main crux why I created the page or why I started creating was because it made me happy. You're getting it? So, again, if I get into the whole commercial bit कि नहीं अब जिंदगी तो यही है, you know, and all of that kind of thing, तो मेरी जिंदगी ही खराब हो जाएगी.
The whole point of comedy for most of us was we are following a passion, right? This is an unconventional job we are doing. And then if within that job, if you start following orders from these things like algorithm and people and brand, then you're defeating the very purpose of comedy.
It's actually coming back to the thing of it has to be fun. Otherwise, it would just
We
be
are
a
all
job.
doing it because we like doing it.
Yeah.
Then you start saying, okay, algorithm ने बोला तो reel डाल रहा हूँ. नहीं, don't. Then, no. You know, engagement बढ़ानी थी तो reply कर दो. What? No, there's no need to do that. Who asked you to do that?
Yeah.
तो पापा ने बोला था इंजीनियरिंग करो तो करना फिर. पापा का नहीं सुन रहा है, एल्गोरिथम सुन रहा है. जिसने पैदा किया तो उसका बात नहीं सुन रहा है और ये फिक्शनल एल्गोरिथम का बात. Wow, dude. Wow, this is great.
You're getting it.
नहीं मैं
अगर
समझ
कोई
रहा हूँ.
एक चीज You're getting it now. If there is one thing that I'm doing, I love doing it, and I'm not saying that I will stop doing it. But every I don't know. I need a pause in between. I think it happens with everyone. कुछ भी कर रहे होते हैं, कुछ ब्रेक चाहिए होता है.
तो
अगर
मुझे
it's not possible कि
चीज बताओ.
कुछ ऐसा है.
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट. फिर यहीं से मैं चीज जो इसी को और कंफर्मिटी के लिए पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि मुझे एक चीज बताओ, पढ़ाई में कैसे थे आप?
I was a average student. एवरेज स्टूडेंट मतलब कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स में वही, कभी कुछ सब्जेक्ट में बहुत अच्छी हो गई, कभी किसी में बहुत वो हो गई. बट आई वाज अ डिसेंट गुड स्टूडेंट. I always wanted to be an all-rounder. I did not want to just be in one place. I think that replicates in my life right now as well. I do not just want to be stuck to one thing. So in school also, academics में I was good क्या वही average types, good. 10 में साइंस ले ली थी, पता नहीं क्या सोच के. फिर
अच्छा फिर
sorry 10 में we had 8 में we had a choice and 11 में we had a choice. So I don't know what came to my mind. I was like, I can be a doctor and stuff. And then I took up science. I literally cried. I mean, in my entire life, पढ़ाई के लिए एक बार रोई हूँ bio paper से पहले. And then I was like, this is not my thing. I can't do it. Then I think in class 11, then I took up commerce. So it was like that. Then, you know, I was into sports. I was into dance. So I was into everything in school.
तो एक
Then college में भी same
Image-
चीज था, into
तो
everything.
एज अ स्टूडेंट स्कूल या कॉलेज में कोई इमेज नहीं थी कि मेरी लाइफ इस तरह की होनी चाहिए, मुझे ये करना है? जैसे मुझे याद आ रहा है कुछ बच्चे मेरी क्लास में इतने स्पेसिफिक होते थे, स्लैम बुक में भर देते थे 6th-7th में, आई वांट टू बी एन एमबीए पर्सन एंड यू आर एन एमबीए. सो वाज दैट समथिंग इन योर हेड कि एमबीए करना है?
Okay, the funny part is when I was passing out from class 12, I had no idea what BCom is, undergrads is, MBAs
Same
and stuff.
here.
I still remember asking one of my friend. My friend is like, क्या करना है स्कूल के बाद? I was like, MBA. बोलती पागल हो गया? MBA से पहले भी कुछ करना पड़ता है. I was like, अच्छा. And so, you know, वैसा कुछ मेरा लाइफ का कॉन्सेप्ट था ही नहीं. I was just like, go with the flow वाला चीज. I was like, करना है. I knew that I want to do something. I never knew what I wanted to do. And I think I probably just let time decide that for me. And I am glad that I let that happen. I don't know. I always feel that, you know, once you get into one particular field in your life, and I'm not talking about like, you know, course wise. I'm talking as a person, you should always be involved in different things because usse you are giving yourself a chance to experiment and understand what all can you do. And I think that is very important. Masters में वही, that is what I did. Masters, mashallah, I was like everywhere again. But ये वाला जो masters वाला रायता फैला था, वो अच्छा वाला रायता फैला था. Because I turned out to be, I became the dance captain, I was the sports captain, I was the MC होते हैं ना? Official and cultural. I was in the MC, I was heading the, क्या कहते हैं उसको, placements and everything. I was the class CR if that counts as school. So I got, so when I went for my masters, I had just one goal. I was like, जो भी करना है, I just have to come out as one of the best students in this college. And I had no plan, no idea, no goal, nothing. I was just like, जो करना है, best करना है. And then yeah, on the last day when I got the All-Rounders Award in Amity, I was like, जिंदगी में यही तो चाहिए था.
मुझे सीरियसली मतलब आपकी जैसी पर्सनालिटी लोगों से बहुत ज्यादा एनवी होता है दैट दे हैव, उन्होंने कोई गोल सेट नहीं किया है, उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया है, बस वो जो भी चीज टच करते हैं अच्छे से करते हैं, दे एक्सेल इन इट. फॉर विद मी आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. आई प्लान थिंग्स. ऐसा नहीं कि प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं जाएगा तो मैं डिस्टर्ब हो जाऊंगा, बट आई विल वर्क ऑन थिंग्स. आई हैव प्लान दिस शूट, आई हैव रिटन द स्क्रिप्ट. मुझे पता है ये कैंडिड कॉन्वर्सेशन है, फिर भी मेरे पास एक स्क्रिप्ट है. वैसे मेरी लाइफ में हर चीज के अंदर मेरी एक प्रैक्टिस है, सब कुछ है. एंड मैं भी आई वाज द Xavier out of the year in my college, but I worked hard for that. And I know that.
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है एक होता है कि हम लोग किसी चीज के लिए मेहनत करते हैं, ठीक है, बट मेहनत के साथ साथ ना उसमें बहुत दिमाग लगाते हैं.
हाँ, मैं लगाता हूँ.
Like बहुत दिमाग लगाते हैं. Like when it comes to working hard, I know I work very hard, ठीक है, but I never let my brain think that I'm working very hard, because the moment I do that, I'll be like, shit, life sucks. And I don't want that happening with me. So I'm like, ठीक है, जब काम करना है, so I'm going to give in my 100%. I'll do everything possible. Like when I'm working, I'm a different person.
I think what's important in all of this, what I've realized over the last 20 years, is to take work seriously and not take yourself so seriously. I think that's what it is. You know, so I follow my heart here and I follow my creative instinct. And whatever gives me joy in that moment, or something that comes along, whether it's in music, whether it's directing, whether it's writing or acting, I just follow my heart and I do it to the best of my ability.
हम कभी-कभी बहुत साड़ू इंसान भी हो जाता है. Like when I'm working and I want to get things done, I'm like ये करो वो करो, and you know I lose my temper and all of that. I'm not always, you know, nobody is always just like this. So उसके भी अपने sides है, but then you know later on when I think about it कि हाँ मैंने क्या प्लान किया था, मैंने सोचा था कि कल ये करना है, परसों ये करना है, तो नहीं, वो में से हो ही नहीं सकता. I can't do that.
नहीं, I also don't plan it, but जो आप कह रहे हो वो सही है. मुझे सबसे ज्यादा फीडबैक, एंड आई ओपन, मैं पहली बार ऐसा ऑनलाइन बोल रहा हूँ किसी को, कि मुझे सबसे ज्यादा फीडबैक जो मिला है फ्रॉम स्कूल, कॉलेज, देन आई वाज इन माय जॉब एंड थ्रू माय पेरेंट्स आल्सो, दैट यू टेक योरसेल्फ टू सीरियसली and you should not do that. And that's what you said, कि मैं अपने आप को हेड में ये नहीं बताती कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा काम कर रही हूँ.
यार कभी-कभी ना बहुत बार लोगों के साथ भी ये होता है, ठीक है. I mean, I don't know, it's a very personal thing to share, but you know a lot of times when I'm just like this, you know, even in office I'm just always fooling around, you know, no matter zero पे बैठी हूँ या मेरा target full हो गया है, I'm always having fun. And then you know certain people are like, ये तो बस ऐसे ही she just gets away with things. I'm like, dude, I don't get away with things. It's just that, you know, I don't sit there and I'm like, आज मैंने इतना काम किया, आज मुझे इतना काम करना है. I'm like, आ रहे, that is how life is, you know. रोज कुछ ना कुछ आता जाएगा, करता रहना होगा. एंड अगर मैं रोज बैठ के सोचूंगी अभी मेरी पूरी जिंदगी में ऐसे काट लूं तो मैं करूंगी क्या?
यार मतलब सीरियसली आई एम falling in love with your brain right now, what you are saying. मुझे सिखा दो कैसे करते हैं. I seriously want to learn. And मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे और लोगों को भी ये बात सीखनी होगी कि
क्या
कि how are you so confident, how are you so concentrated कि कोई भी चीज उठाई है कि बस जैसे काम किया तो काम कर रहे हो, ड्राइंग कर रहे हो तो ड्राइंग कर रहे हो.
कॉन्फिडेंस पता नहीं यार. एक टाइम था, I think I was in school में I've done very stupid stuff and I know there have been times I've made a fool out of myself, but ठीक है. I mean it is important. You can't always be like अरे वाओ ये तो ये है, अरे कभी कोई मजाक भी तो उड़ाए तुम्हारा यार, क्या मजा है. So school में there was this so school में जब starting I was stage fright होता है ना. I was like very scared of the stage and everything. And there was this one time, I don't know, out of the blue, this is the randomest thing I've done, I know. I was like, चलो गाना गा के देखते हैं. So we used to have like these small inter house fest and all of that. So उसमें क्या हुआ कि they were like कि गाना गाना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. And I was like, I'm going to participate. It's a karaoke and stuff. पीछे तो background में गाना चलता रहेगा, मैं गाती रहूंगी. So I sang, ठीक है. And it was funny because my friends like they all laughed and everything. And obviously school में I was like ठीक है चलेगा. And I remember I'm standing on stage. Let's say this is where the crowd is sitting. और पीछे में हमारे जो स्कूल के फाउंडर हैं उनका बड़ा सा एक पोर्ट्रेट लगा हुआ था. The entire time I was just staring at it. I was not looking at any of the kids. I was just staring at it and I was singing a song. Then उसके बाद क्या हुआ? And that was funny. That was fun. Okay, ठीक है, हो गया. I was embarrassed. I came back. I sat down चुपचाप. I didn't win, of course, because I can't sing. So second time again, ऐसा कुछ हुआ हमारे house से. Some girl was supposed to sing some song and she wasn't there. And then I was a very big fan of High School Musical. Are you aware of High School Musical?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was a very big. I was like ऐसा fan कि उसी का sketchbook, उसमें उसके सारे lyrics, ये वो pictures, हेन तेन सब कुछ होता था. So अचानक से they came to me, they're like, you sang for that karaoke, right? I was like, yeah. They're like, stage पे जाओ गाना गाना है. I was like, क्या करें? Like, you're a fan of High School Musical. I was like, yeah. Like कोई भी गाना गा दो. I was like, ठीक है. हम गया stage पे खड़ा again same thing, looking at my founder's picture. And then I started singing, and then when I came down, my friends were like, Fareen, it seemed like a class 2 girl was singing a poem. I was like, chalega. So I think because I took that risk of people, laughing at me or people finding it funny and stuff like that, I think that is how I built confidence in myself. So I think लोगों को लगता था वो मेरे पे हंस रहा है, but मुझे पता था मैं अपना सॉर्ट कर रही हूँ चीजें.
समझो मैं पहली बार लाइफ में स्टेज में बैठा हूँ. I would be so stressed right now. क्योंकि क्या हो रहा है, लाइक इतने सारे लोग देख रहे हैं मुझे, आप इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं. आई नो दैट मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल माइट सी दिस वीडियो. आई विल बी, माई हार्ट रेट विल बी हाई बिकॉज इट्स अ न्यू सिचुएशन. मेरे ब्रेन को पता ही नहीं है इसको कैसे हैंडल करना है. बिकॉज आई हैव बीन ऑन स्टेज 50-100 times बिफोर, दिस फील्स नॉर्मल. द ओनली रीजन दिस फील्स नॉर्मल इज बिकॉज आई went.
You've been there, done that.
Correct. मेरा स्टेज फियर हुआ था. मैं गाने गया था एक बार स्कूल में, ऊपर गया, मुझे गाने का लिरिक्स ही याद नहीं आ रहा है. पूरा स्कूल खड़ी है सामने, मुझे याद ही नहीं आ रहा कि मुझे कौन सा गाना गाना था. आई sang some other song जिसका मुझे लिरिक्स आधा याद था, and I came down. But if that hadn't happened, then next time we would not have been a little more comfortable. And today I think my heart rate is around 65-70. ठीक है, this is normal.
There's a very famous book called Rich Dad Poor Dad. सुना होगा. उसमें एक पॉइंट लिखा हुआ है कि एक स्टडी हुई अमेरिका में, और उस स्टडी में ये आया कि जब लोगों से पूछा गया कि आपको सबसे ज्यादा किससे डर लगता है, तो डेथ सेकंड नंबर पे था, फर्स्ट पे था स्टेज पे जाने से. सो दैट्स लाइक द बिगेस्ट फियर. सो अगर आपको कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करना है लाइफ में, आपके अंदर जो आप अपने स्टेज फ्राइट से लड़ लो, स्टेज पे जाओ, अपना फूल बना लो एक बार, मेक फूल ऑफ योरसेल्फ, एंड देन यू विल बी सो कॉन्फिडेंट फॉर योर लाइफ. यू आर सॉर्टेड फॉर योर लाइफ बिकॉज आपने वो कर लिया.
Seeing that class 8 wala Fareen had no idea that there will come a time in 2015, 16, 17 where she will actually be standing on stage emceeing for a crowd of, I'm not exaggerating, Amity ka jab fest hota hai, there are around 20-25,000 people. 20-25, and I can't, I mean, now when I think of it, I'm like, I mean, that was a very big achievement for me, like just being there on stage from 100 people where I thought that shit abhi kya hoga and all of that, to just randomly going on stage and just randomly being yourself, like, and it's nothing. I think the moment you accept yourself how you are, koi kuch bhi bol le, just kuch jo bolna hai bol le, koi fark nahi padta.
Seriously, I think बहुत अमेजिंग क्वालिटी है बात.
Creators, the true creators, do not really give a damn about somebody else's applause or ridicule or whatever. They are just on their own, right? And I think everybody should be jazz musicians in life. Create, and I think then all this mockery, all this other stuff will matter less, because eventually your art will count for it.
Fair enough.
So, यार मुझे ना फिर से इसी बात पे वापस आना है, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट आई फिगर्ड आउट दैट यू आर एबल टू डू एंड नो वन एल्स ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट हैज एवर टोल्ड मी दिस, कि आप अपने प्रोफेशन और पैशन को अलग अलग रखते हो. मान लिया कि आपने बचपन में आर्ट डिस्कवर नहीं किया, या आपने स्कूल कॉलेज टाइम में उसको इतना सीरियसली नहीं लिया. यूजुअली होता क्या है कि अगर हमें पता लगता है कि हमारा सीरियस क्रिएटिव इंक्लिनेशन है किसी पर्टिकुलर क्राफ्ट की तरफ, आर्ट की तरफ, तो मेरे दिमाग में जब मैं डांस करने लगा था और जब मुझे लगा कि मुझे बहुत ज्यादा प्रेज मिल रहा है, तो माय फर्स्ट थॉट वाज कि मैं डांसर बनना चाहता हूँ, कोरियोग्राफर बनना चाहता हूँ, नहीं तो डीआईडी में जाना चाहता हूँ. एक सिंपल ब्रेन यही बोलता है कि मेरी जो भी हॉबी है उसको प्रोफेशन बनाना चाहिए मुझे, मैं खुश रहूंगा. मान लिया कि आपके साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ. एमबीए करने के बाद, जॉब करने के बाद आपको लगा कि यार आई फाइंड सोलेस एंड दिस इज माई हैप्पी प्लेस इन आर्ट. सो तब भी इंसान, जब आपको मजा आ रहा है आर्ट करने में, जब आपको मजा आ रहा है ड्राइंग करने में, तो क्यों ना अब आप जाके अपना प्रोफेशन उसको बना लो. बट यू स्टिल डोंट डू इट, यू कीप इट वेरी सेपरेट. सो हाउ डू यू कीप दिस? एंड लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं है, लोग बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं. लेट मी कंप्लीट माई क्वेश्चन. आई वांट टू मेक इट लिटिल बिट टफ फॉर यू, कि लोगों को एक जॉब करने का टाइम नहीं है, एंड यू आर डूइंग इट 2 things, maybe other things also. So how do you able to manage all this?
That is a question. I don't know. Matlab, I have one question for you, ठीक है? You say something makes you happy, it's your passion, ठीक है, and it makes you happy. The moment you start doing that on a permanent basis, what is it that you're going to go to make you happy?
सॉरी वापस एक बार, बहुत टफ है मिस कर गया.
टफ क्वेश्चन मैं पूछ रही हूँ, ठीक है. पीपल से कि मेरा ये पैशन है, मेरा ये, ठीक है, आई मीन एक्सेप्टेड, रिस्पेक्टेड, सबका अपना अपना होता है, ठीक है. नाउ यू से दैट लेट्स से डांसिंग मेक्स यू हैप्पी, ठीक है, एंड लेट्स से यू बिकेम अ डांसर. नाउ यू आर अ डांसर एंड यू आर लाइक रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. नाउ यू वांट टू बी हैप्पी, व्हाट विल यू गो टू?
Something else. The point is what I figured out while pursuing कि मैं मेरी curiosity follow कर रहा हूँ, डांस है, मैं दूसरी चीज कर रहा हूँ, अब मैं कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ. आपको बहुत मजा आता है, मुझे अभी बहुत मजा आ रहा है, बट हर जॉब के पीछे एक नॉन ग्लैमरस पार्ट, एक बहुत ज्यादा टीडियस वर्क होता है. जो मैं जब मार्केटिंग कर रहा था बॉम्बे में, मुझे बहुत मजा आता है मार्केटिंग के बारे में पढ़ने में, एडवर्टाइजिंग के बारे में पढ़ने में, लेकिन जब उसका जो टीडीएस नॉन ग्लैमरस पार्ट है, पीपीटी बनाना, मीटिंग्स में जाके पिचिंग करना, वो मुझे बहुत बोरिंग लगा एंड आई फिगर्ड आउट कि यार ये नहीं कर सकता मैं. लेकिन शूट करने का सब तरह का काम मुझे पसंद है, वेदर इट्स सेटिंग अप द थिंग्स, पीछे बैकग्राउंड सेटअप करना है, स्क्रिप्ट लिखनी है, एवरीथिंग आई एंजॉय. सो आई कैन से दैट आई लाइक डूइंग इट. दिस इज काइंड ऑफ मोर देन हॉबी फॉर मी. बट हाँ, इसके अंदर भी बोरियत होती है. एवरी डे यू कैन नॉट शूट, यू गेट टायर्ड, यू नीड, फिर मैं जाके सिर्फ नेटफ्लिक्स देखता हूँ और कुछ नहीं. सो या,
like I said, I started doing art because I was looking for peace. I was looking for happiness. So again, drawing मेरे से अभी जाके I don't know with time it has become like जब मेरा मन करता है मैं ड्राइंग कर सकती हूँ. बट अगेन जब मेरा मन करता है एक स्पेसिफिक जगह होती है, मुझे कॉफी चाहिए, मुझे गाना चाहिए, तो मुझे यू नो I need my entire vibe. I set up my entire vibe when I'm creating. The reason I think why I have 2 jobs is I love talking, which is very evident. I'm like talking non-stop. I love talking. So that was one of the main reasons why I got into sales and marketing, because I have always been very intrigued by the way the human mind works. You meet 10 different people, irrespective of, you know, people have this way of generalizing. This person is mean. This person is nice. This person is a sweetheart. This person is this. I'm like, that same person that you're talking about, probably that person who's mean to you is the best person in the world for somebody else. So that was one of the reasons. I mean, obviously sales में ये सब emotional context नहीं होता है, but you know that was one of the main reasons why I got into sales and stuff like that. And also because I just wanted some good money, to be very honest. Such है. Okay, so that is I got into sales. Now, with art, it's like I do it because it makes me happy. It makes me feel peaceful. Yes, I'm grateful with time. I have kind of reached this place where I'm earning from it as well. But then, this is not my main income. You're getting it. I have clearly defined what is going to make me happy and what is going to keep me established and, you know, growing. So that is how it works for me. And again, अभी हम कुछ दिन पहले I had posted this thing on Instagram. Somebody had asked me that, you know, I really want to pursue my art with my studies or with my other things. I have just one thing to say. Even if you say you're studying, I will never believe that you're telling me that 24 hours तुम सिर्फ बैठ के पढ़ाई करते हो. You're getting it? Yeah, 24 hours is what you're just doing your job. Even if you have a job, it's like 9 to 5. Let's say you take 2 hours to go home and come back. Taking 15 minutes out just to draw, let's say, a small flower is not going to cost you anything. Right? It's all about priorities. Like for me, I would say, because I want to be happy, I want to feel peaceful every day. It is one of the main priorities of my life. That is why I think art has that place in my life. You're getting it? All the shooting and everything just came along with it. Like I started enjoying it. पहले हम सिर्फ ड्राइंग करता था, फिर उसके बाद जब लाइव आने लगा, and you know, I will not say कि बैलेंस नहीं हो पाता है, probably because I'm in sales, शायद इसलिए बैलेंस हो जाता है कि मैं दिन में I can take out like half an hour or something in between, you know, while I'm going for a meeting. I'm just sitting down for coffee in a cafe, right? कॉफी पीते पीते क्या कर रही हूँ? ड्राइंग कर रही हूँ. कोई और बैठ के अपना फोन देखता है, कोई बैठ के नेटफ्लिक्स देखता है. So you know, that is, I think that is how it is. It's just about priorities. You can never say कि मैं कर नहीं सकता. तुम करना नहीं चाहते हो.
I wish I had more time in life, man. I want to do so many things, read so much. I wish I could not sleep and just be constantly do curious stuff out of curiosity and constantly be amazed at things and intrigued by things. And no matter who we are, me or Mukesh Ambani, Elon Musk, anybody, Jeff Bezos, everybody has 24 hours every day. The difference is what they do with the 24 hours.
The funny part is people have forgotten, or people don't realize that in those 24 hours there is some time you have to give to yourself. Now it is on you. It's not necessary कि drawing ही करना है. That is my way of giving time to myself. Somebody else might want to do something else. किसी और के लिए probably the thing which creating art means to me, probably watching Netflix is what is important to them. Probably sleeping is what is, what gives them solace. Sleep gives them solace. Food gives them solace. Traveling gives them solace. So everybody's, got their own priorities. It's just that you instead of, let's say, complaining or saying that मैं ये manage नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, एक दिन manage करके तो देखो, तुमने try किया है. That's my main question. Have you tried it? Have you seen what happens if you take out 15 minutes in a day? Probably you love dancing. Just take out 15 minutes, switch off the lights and dance like a mad person in the room. That is also dancing. Just take out 15 minutes.
I do that.
Have you tried it?
I do that.
Every
night.
I'm telling you, like in general, as a person, like, have you tried it? Have you done that? Priorities and choices. That's all on you. You cannot blame anyone for it. You can't blame your work pressure. You can't blame your life. It's all on you.
I understand.
However my life is going right now, right? Currently, I will not say that I'm literally in the worst stage of my life right now. But I'm like, what had to happen has happened. What is happening is happening. Can I take out time for myself? Should I take out time for myself? Is that my priority? Yes. Shit, I'm like talking like a very serious person right now.
But I 100% agree. Then मैं उसका example देता हूँ. For me, dancing is very special. Because मैं बचपन से करता आ रहा हूँ और वो मेरा प्राइमरी मोड ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन है. अब होगा क्या कि मैं कोई स्क्रिप्ट क्रैक नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ या मेरा टाइम लाइन शॉर्ट चल रहा है और मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस हूँ, बट मुझे पता है कि मैं मेरे वो म्यूजिक लगाऊंगा, 10-15 मिनट कमरे में जाऊंगा एंड आई डांस लाइक अ मैड पर्सन इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई मिरर. व्हेन आई कम आउट इट आई नो चीजें सॉर्ट हो जाएंगी. दैट्स अ ट्रस्ट दैट आई हैव इन इट. तो मैं डांस करता हूँ, लेकिन मैं जिम नहीं जाता. मुझे पता है मेरी हेल्थ खराब हो रही है, मैं कुछ भी खा रहा हूँ, मैं एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहा, बट उसके लिए मैं टाइम नहीं निकालूंगा 15 से 20 मिनट, बट डांस के लिए निकाल लूंगा. तो आई थिंक यही बात है कि अगर आपकी प्रायोरिटी, आपको पता है कि मेरा मी टाइम किस चीज में है, आप उसके लिए टाइम निकालते हो. इज दैट व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू articulate here?
Yeah, like मेरा ऐसा होता है ना, I'm not kidding, there are phases in my life where I have a lot of things going, and then I can literally take out time and do everything also, and it comes naturally because I know कि let's say I have to meet someone on a day, I have meetings on that day, and I have to do art on that day, and probably I have to do some work at home. For some reason it just automatically works out because probably जो मेरा, let's say मेरे को 9 to 5 काम करना है, ठीक है. अब ये मेरे को भी पता है, मेरे बॉस को भी पता है, सबको पता है कि 9 to 5 का ये मतलब नहीं है कि मैं 9 to 5 full on like I'm just sitting on the computer and I'm doing all my work, for example, right? So what I do is, if I have to, let's say, meet somebody at 5 o'clock, I have to draw also. What I do is I start my work when I'm supposed to start. Yes, I cut down on those conversations and everything else that I'm having with people on that day, which is not that important. I finish my work, I draw in that particular phase. बीच में कुछ नहीं होता तो शायद ऑफिस में बैठ कर ड्राइंग कर लेती हूँ और फिर कहीं और जाके वहाँ पे पिक्चर्स क्लिक करके या शूट कर लेती हूँ उसको. वो कर लिया, then I've gone and met people, and then I've gone home and I've done my things. So if you want to, you can. What we see is, again, like I said, we see the bigger picture, we see the Taj Mahal and we see कि यार ये ताज महल कैसे बनेगा. What we don't see is that वो ताजमहल बनाने के लिए वो छोटे छोटे जो रॉक्स तुमने इधर उधर फैला रखे हैं ना, उसको साथ में जोड़ो जल्दी जल्दी.
Basically, yeah. Action changes thing. You have to start doing action. Yeah. You have to start taking action.
Yeah.
नहीं, one more thing, एक तो बहुत सरप्राइजिंग है. नेटफ्लिक्स एक सीरीज है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट करके, जिसपे अलग अलग क्रिएटिव लोगों के डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज हैं.
मैंने देखा.
उसमें एक ग्राफिक डिजाइनर का एपिसोड है, पॉला शेयर करके नाम है उनका. she do urban sketching, मतलब when she wants, उनको जो अपना माइंड फ्रेश करना होता है, वो कहती है मैं कैब लेती हूँ न्यूयॉर्क में और कार में बैठ के ड्रॉ करती हूँ. only thing that I have seen someone doing is you, जो कार में बैठ के कहीं भी गाड़ी लगा के ड्रॉ करता है. एंड आई वॉज टॉकिंग विद माई फ्रेंड्स कि तुम्हें पता है, ये सेम इंसिडेंट मैं मेरे फ्रेंड्स को समझा रहा था कि मैंने फरीन से बात करी है, वो काफी टैलेंटेड लग रही हैं, मैंने उनको इन्वाइट किया है. तो शी इज लाइक कि ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हैं यार, हम तो नहीं कर सकते कि एक कभी भी अपने आप को स्विच ऑन कर लो, कभी भी अपने आप को स्विच ऑफ कर लो, गाड़ी में बैठ के कहीं पे भी ड्राइंग कर लो. हाउ डू यू डू दैट?
यार मेरे गाड़ी में या मेरे बैग में, ठीक है, 2-3 चीजें हमेशा रहती हैं. एक है एक स्केचबुक, एक पेन, और अभी लाइक नाउ बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड शूटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, सो आई जस्ट कीप दिस वन कैमरा स्टैंड और समथिंग साथ में, ठीक है. सो it's weird. I have gotten into such a habit that even if I'm not in the mood to draw, ठीक है, and if I don't carry my sketchbook with me, for some reason my stupid brain will be like, आज तो drawing करके रहना है. You're getting it? Like on days when I don't have it, I'm not kidding. There was this one day when I didn't keep it. I was like, काफी दिन से drawing कर नहीं रही हूँ, क्या फायदा है बैग का, you know, weight बढ़ा के and everything, and I left it at home. अचानक से my brain started messing around with me. Drawing करना. I am not kidding. I literally went to a cafe, bought a new sketchbook so that I would draw that day. So it just, I don't know, it just happens. Like it's become a need more than, you know, a habit. It's become a need that I need that time. Like nowadays also, I mean, if you've seen my recent posts, I go to this cafe very regularly and I sketch there because I've kind of become comfortable. My day starts, I go to office, and then all of a sudden, you know, it's like a craving and I'm like, jana hai. I don't have a commitment. I don't have a timeline. I'm not answerable to anyone for it. But this brain of mine, this stupid brain of mine was like, nahi karogi to tumhara din khatam nahi hoga and all of that. And then I just, you know, go there, fatafat, I'm like, coffee to bhi nahi hai. Kabhi to I just go there for like 15-20 minutes. Such sweetheart those people are. They know what I have now. They just get it, fatafat, they get it. I'm sipping and I'm drawing.
So
I don't know. I mean, I there is no secret behind it. It's just, like I said, it's just priorities and need. My need and my priority is my own peace. My own mental peace, my own happiness. I mean, I feel happy when I see I have created something.
So, were you always this high-spirited individual person? Individuality India में मांगना या प्रैक्टिस करना एक टफ चीज है. आपको फाइट करना पड़ता है अपनी इंडिविजुअलिटी के लिए कि ये मेरा टाइम स्केड्यूल है, ये मुझे पसंद है, मैं ऐसे ही करूंगी. नॉट कोऑर्डिनेट विद द सोसाइटी दैट इज अराउंड यू, और समटाइम्स टेल देम नो. Did your parents give that, मतलब पेरेंट्स ने वो स्पेस दी होगी, मुझे दी है इसलिए मैं समझता हूँ उस बात को.
So as a kid, it's very funny, but मेरे को funny लगता है. I don't know if you will find it funny or not. Till class 6, I was that student in class जिसके पेरेंट्स को जब बुलाते थे ना पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग में, तो टीचर का कंप्लेंट होता था, आपकी बेटी बात नहीं करती है.
अच्छा,
आपकी बेटी बात नहीं करती है. हाँ. And I was like, मतलब अभी मेरे को लगता है, and I wouldn't talk, you know, it's like I used to talk, but I was like a very soft spoken, sweet child. जो जिसने हाँ बोला हाँ, जिसने बोला अभी रात है, मैंने बोला हाँ, जिसने बोला पानी ऊपर है स्काई नीचे, I'm like हाँ, ठीक है. I was like that. And then all of a sudden, you know, I realized the kind of world we live in, and no matter how harsh and rude it sounds, it's a place where you have to take a stand for yourself because nobody is going to do that for you. Nobody. No matter how close a person is, be it your parents, be it your family, be it your closest friend, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, dada, dadi, nana, nani, nobody is going to take a stand for you. Everybody, as you start growing up, you realize everybody has their individual struggles, their individual life, the way they look at the world and the way you look at the world. You're living in the same house with the same people. You've lived your entire life with your family, but उनका life का experiences और तुम्हारा life का experiences बहुत different है. शायद तुमको जो चीजें पसंद है वो उनको ना पसंद हो, या शायद उनको समझ ना आए या तुमको ना समझ आए. My parents, in a way, they always gave me that freedom to explore what I wanted to explore in life, but they were always very possessive about me as a child, you know, like because I was like always हाँ, जिसने जो बोल दिया हाँ, जिसने वो बोल दिया हाँ. So they were always very possessive. Like people are going to come and you know, like you know, make a
ठग लेंगे मेरे, हाँ ठग लेंगे मेरी बच्चे को, बेचारी को.
हाँ, and they were not wrong. Literally not wrong. I mean, so many people have done that to me na. I'm not kidding. Like so many people just came and then because यार मेरे से वो सब नहीं होता, वो होता है ना थोड़ा. What will I do with having an ego and all of that thing? Like I'm this, I'm that. Like what's the point? You know, end of the I know who I am. तुमको मानना मानो, नहीं मानना मत मानो, तुम्हारी मर्जी. It's like that. So I mean, because of that, you know, my parents used to be like, they always used to be like, you know, Fareen, you have to be a little serious. You have to talk a little, you know, like ऐसे करके बात करो, ऐसे करके बात करो, ये वो, and people don't take you seriously and stuff like that. I was like, whether they take, and with time I realized this. Starting में मेरे को बहुत irritation होता था जब मेरे को कोई ये सब समझाता था. I was like, नहीं, वो तो इतना अच्छा इंसान है, वो तो इतनी अच्छी है, उसने ये बोला, वो मेरा अच्छा चाहते हैं. And then बाद में पता चलता था हम गए. But सही है, like yeah, with time I've just become like, even if some, like before I used to be like कोई भी कुछ बुरा कर देता, I cry like this. Okay. Like even now I just cry like this. If things really hurt me or something like that, I just बारिश हो जाती है. That's why I love monsoon so much probably. So but now it's become like अब ठीक है. Like people, everybody's got their own thing. Yeah, if somebody is doing something bad to you, probably उनके दिमाग में कुछ. Now that I take it like this, if somebody is even doing something bad to you, probably उनके दिमाग में कुछ और चल रहा है, बेचारे. ऊपर वाला ठीक कर दे.
So artists are empathetic, right? So आपने जैसे कहा कि आप फटाफट रो देते हो, लेकिन एक तरफ आपका detachment भी बहुत high है. And हाँ, so it's a great combination, right? कि you feel detached also, but you are empathetic from inside. ऐसा नहीं है कि इमोशनली बह रहे हैं सोसाइटी में, बेवकूफ बन रहे हैं जाके.
पहले मैं इमोशनली बहती नहीं थी, मैं इमोशनल सुनामी थी. ठीक है, मैं Fareen Aman being emotional means there's a tsunami coming in. Like I mean, if I give in, एक second. So if I like give in, I'm like, and even now it's like, I mean, again, it's the same thing. The way I think it works for my art, for my work and everything. If I give in, you have 100% of Fareen. If I don't give in, you have 0% of Fareen. And funny part, 2 days back we were having like an appraisal review and stuff in office, and I saw my graph. Okay. My graph, it's either here or it's here. There is no, my boss is coming and he's like, Fareen, there's no balance. I was like, sir, I'm sorry, I'm in the extremes. Even in life, even at work. And then he's laughing at me for that. So, you know.
इससे एक बात याद आई, डर नहीं लगता जॉब चली जाएगी? यूजुअली लोग रूल्स ब्रेक करने से डरते हैं, अपने बॉस को नाराज करने से डरते हैं, सिस्टम में रहना पसंद करते हैं.
See, in a way, I would say, see, in this place, I will say I'm privileged. Okay. In this place, I will say I'm privileged because the company that I'm working for is love. Okay. They are very understanding. They're very nice. And, you know, we have that freedom ki as long as you're doing your work, they don't care what you're doing otherwise. You know, so it's all about, and I think probably I can say I've earned it with time. I've been in this organization for like over 5 years now, and probably because I'm in sales also, I have that space to myself. But yes, I have earned it with time, and it doesn't come easy to you. There are days when, you know, people are going to come in, they're going to scream at you, and there are going to be months where you're not doing well. But the point is that you're not cheating on someone. You're getting it. Like if somebody is given you a privilege, it's not like कि हाँ अब तो जो करना करो. It's not like that, you know. If somebody has some trust in you, don't break it. It's a very simple logic. Be it in anything, just don't break somebody's trust. Do your thing as long as you know how to manage that.
Pick business partners with high intelligence, energy, and overall integrity. This goes with long-term people. का जो tweet था.
Yeah.
I think high intelligence with optimism is such a potent combination, right? ये बंदा smart तो है ही, but he's looking at the best case result. Next is energy. मतलब of course, inspiration is perishable. कल करे सो आज. You know, if you have energy, you will take action quickly. And above all, integrity. खराब होगा तो धोखा नहीं देगा.
My most favorite part about this tweet is how he says above all integrity. You know why? Because intelligence फिर भी ऊपर नीचे होता है इंसान का. Talent ऊपर नीचे, energy ऊपर नीचे सब. But above all integrity. And Tanmay and I and like a few friends of ours have discussed it a lot of times. Like when you start working on a sketch or trying to form a collective or YouTube channel, any venture. अगर तू funny है कि नहीं वो चलता है यार 18-19. या तू मतलब कैसा है, तू contribute कर रहा है कि नहीं, writing room में कैसा है, वो सब थोड़ा बहुत चलता है. But integrity में समझौता नहीं कर सकती. You are working with like people with high integrity. You're sorted on so many levels. They are the ones who will question you. Who will be like, नहीं, I don't think Tanmay you should do this. They're not there just for like, hey, joke mara.
I would actually expand that and say, no, not just business partners. Pick your relationships which are exactly on.
Yes.
So वैसे ही है.
Trust, integrity, responsibility, all the things that matter.
I am I'm hardcore into loyalty. I mean, like, my brain just functions on the basis of loyalty. Nothing else. There are a lot of things that happen in the world, like, you know, my mom also tells me it's a bad world. How mothers are. You know, it's a bad world. कोई cheat करता है, somebody's lie, somebody's this, somebody's that. I was like, जिसको जैसा होना है होने दो. I simply want to be transparent for my own self. Like, if I have so many divisions in myself alone, I myself will not be able to handle it. So मेरा दो side है, या तो it's very nice or it's like I don't care. Simple.
Nice.
बस ये तो balance कर लेती हूँ मैं, और कुछ होता नहीं मेरे से. I'm very poor in that.
Then I thank you for opening up so much. It's really great to have someone to talk all this about. Sorry, मतलब मैं पता नहीं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. I'm like, बहुत अच्छा लगता है इस तरह से आप किसी से openly बात कर रहे हो.
Because I think important. I think everybody needs to know this. You know, अभी if you look at the world, okay, it's like it's become so fake in a way. You know, it's become so fake in a way that, you know, people are doing things, they're lying, they're doing this, they're doing that. Why? Just because they want attention. And attention from who? From people who you don't even know, or people who you just know. But at the end of the day, when you come back home and you sit in your bed and you face yourself, if you can't face yourself at that point of time, it becomes like, क्या कर रहे हैं? रहना, कुछ भी बोल दो, रहना तो तुमको अपने साथ ही है ना पूरी जिंदगी. Everybody else is a plus.
True. Great lessons by Fareen. Let's move forward. Philosophical हो जाएगा conversation. ये मैं और आप off camera कर सकते हैं. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है philosophical और ये world view में बात करने के लिए.
Philosophical नहीं है, मतलब पता नहीं, बस है जो है.
मतलब world views के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना. Then how we perceive world and what is the philosophy that how you, वो philosophy आई कैसे हमारी लाइफ में इंजेक्ट कैसे हुई, कैसे मैंने इस बात को ऐसे समझा. I really like all these conversations, but फिर हम topic से हट जाएंगे. We have to talk about creativity. So let's move forward.
We just went somewhere else.
Your forte is pen art, right?
Yes.
So
no,
was or is?
Was.
Okay. So you're trying something new. We'll come to that also.
Yeah.
तो अगर मुझे कुछ शुरू करना है, या किसी भी जो आपके स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको शुरू करना है कि हम कैसे करें, हाउ टू अप्रोच द क्राफ्ट साइड ऑफ दिस, कि मैं कैसे शुरू करूं, मैं ज़ेंटेंगल से शुरू करूं, मैं अर्बन स्केच से शुरू करूं, या मैं जो डूडलिंग करता हूं उससे शुरू करूं. तो अगर एक चीज मैंने कोई पकड़ी है तो मैं उसी को पहले परफेक्ट करूं, फिर दूसरी स्टाइल पकड़ूं, या मैं आपकी तरह रायते की तरह ऐसे फैल जाऊं, सब कुछ करूं और फिर मुझे अपने आप मेरा स्टाइल मिल जाएगा. सो हाउ टू अप्रोच द क्राफ्ट साइड ऑफ दिस आर्टिस्टिक करियर?
Okay. I'll just tell you how I did it, and I think with that I can kind of come to how everybody else can do it. So the first question that you need to ask yourself is, do you want to create to please someone, or do you want to create to please yourself? It's a very simple and very important question, because generally I've seen people get demotivated by the very first sketch they make, and they're like, oh shit, I can't draw. You know, oh shit, I can't draw. मेरे से तो नहीं होगा, मेरे लिए नहीं बना हुआ है. ठीक है. First thing is whether you're doing it for others or you're doing it to please yourself. The moment you get that answer, and the moment you understand that you're doing it for yourself, believe me, you start with the very basics. You just pick up a pen and paper. Just start with a small drawing. Start with a small drawing, because anything and everything that we do in this world starts from the basics. And basic क्या होता है? Basic of any artwork is pen and paper, or pencil and paper. अगर confusion है कि क्या बनाऊं क्या नहीं बनाऊं, there are times when, you know, I'm just sitting and then मेरे सामने कोई सामान रखा हुआ है. Let's say it's an object. Let's say it's just this glass. It's kept in front of me. I'm simply going to draw that glass, right? You start by doing that. You simply start by drawing or sketching, creating the basics, and after a while you can start adding colors to it. Trust me, it automatically comes to a person. Your brain, I feel your brain functions in that way. Once you start practicing it, तुम खुद अपना जब paper, like for example, I've drawn a glass on paper, right? When I look at it, always keep it at an eye level. Whenever you draw something, I feel you should always keep it at an eye level, because that is the perfect place where you can understand how you have drawn a particular picture and how wrong or how right it is. ठीक है, you start by doing that and धीरे धीरे करके you will see automatically your work is going to get fine. And I am just saying that you have to believe in yourself in this. Just stick to the motto that what you're doing is for your own happiness. You're not doing it to please anybody else. Because the moment that pleasing wala portion comes in the picture, na, your entire art just goes off. Because art is not about pleasing others. It's just about pleasing yourself. Start with the basics. Just get a pen and paper or get a pencil and paper. I will recommend get a pen and paper because pencil mein hamesha, I still say that to people that when you draw with a pencil, you have that choice of going back, correcting it. When you do it with pen, you don't have that choice. And that is exactly how life is. You cannot change what is done. You can actually make it you can just keep making it better. Right? Line teda ho gaya, line seedha ho gaya. You go see my artworks. You will never find the perfect straight line in a house. It's always here and there. So just start by doing that, and with time, and yes, थोड़े time
I'm liking how you are dropping the philosophical truth bombs like life के बारे में art के साथ साथ.
Yeah, because my main concept, so it's you can say it's very deep rooted for me like that. I mean, there are small reasons for what I use, where I use an art, and I did not know that till I started figuring it out myself. That why I like using pen. It started off because pencil rubber लेके कौन घूमेगा, पेन पास में है. Then धीरे धीरे when I started doing it, I realized that dude, this is what life is. एक बार हो गया. You can't change it, and probably that is something that has really changed my perspective about life. So more than me doing something for art, more than me doing something for people around me, I think art has taught me things which I'm sharing with people. You're getting it?
Yeah, 100%. I can relate to that.
Deep चली जा रही हूँ मैं आज, but ठीक है.
You have your favorite artwork. मैंने एक बार एक AMA में देखा था, किसी ने आपसे पूछा था कि आपका सबसे फेवरेट आर्टवर्क कौन सा है, तो वो मास्क जो पीछे पड़ा है वो नहीं, वो तो बॉब मार्ले, वो उधर लेफ्ट साइड पीछे, दैट वाज जो एग्जीबिशन में लगा था. हाँ, नीचे जो पड़ा है.
Oh, that one. Do you want to see?
Yeah, please. मैं वैसे ही मुझे वो नोट मुझे याद आ गया. You said that this is one of your favorite artwork.
This is actually one of my favorite for a very simple reason that this is my first artwork ever that I had put up. I think this one is the one जिस पे मैंने जिंदगी में सबसे ज्यादा patience के साथ काम किया है. Otherwise, I'm like a person who'll sit once and finish that artwork at that very point of time. So this is my first artwork that was put up in ICCR in an exhibition, and I think I took like a week to finish this. So yeah, that's why it's my favorite.
And it's beautiful. बहुत सुंदर.
Because of this artwork, this artwork was my inspiration for painting my entire room black. My entire room is like black in color. I think you
black.
Yeah.
हम लोग अभी नए घर में शिफ्ट हुए हैं लास्ट ईयर. तो मैंने मेरे पेरेंट्स को बोला कि मेरा रूम अभी पूरी तरह से डिजाइन नहीं हुआ है, बना नहीं है, पुराना ही बेड लगा है, तो मैंने कहा इसको व्हाइट पेंट कराने की बजाय ब्लैक पेंट करा दो. और घर में हंगामा हो गया, बोले ब्लैक पेंट नहीं करा सकते.
Same thing happened with me. Same thing happened with me when I had told my father that I want everything black. I was back in Delhi for my masters and everything, and यहाँ पे my dad is like, घर आने की जरूरत नहीं है, black नहीं होगा. I was like, black नहीं होगा तो मैं वैसे भी घर नहीं आ रही. Then my room is literally the only room which is a little dark in color. Otherwise, सही है, बट अच्छा लगता है मेरे को.
This brings us to the theme question of the series. जैसे मैंने बताया था कि हम हर एपिसोड में क्रिएटिविटी की थीम ले रहे हैं, एंड आई फिगर्ड आउट आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू योर जर्नी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम जब हमने कॉल पे बात करी थी, एंड टुडे ऑल्सो मोर प्रोमिनेंटली, अब तो मैं और भी खुश हो रहा था कि अरे तो और भी ज्यादा थीम के साथ जा रहा है, कि आई थिंक दैट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इकिगाई, वो जो फेमस डायग्राम है कि आपका पैशन, प्रोफेशन, वोकेशन और मिशन मिलके आपका इकिगाई बनाते हैं या पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ बनाते हैं, दैट कंप्लीटली फिट्स ऑन यू, इट्स एप्ट ऑन यू, एंड आई टेल यू हाउ. See, you have your profession, that's different. You are good at that and you get paid for it. Then you have your passion, which is your artwork. You are good at that and you love doing that. And I think that you have also figured out your mission also. Mission mein hai the thing you are good at and what the world needs. And world needs good teacher, especially good art teachers. So I think वो भी है एक पोर्शन ऐड हो जाता है फरीन की लाइफ में कि फरीन एक गुड आर्ट एजुकेटर भी है, वो भी उनकी लाइफ का एक पार्ट है. तो यू हैव योर मिशन सॉर्टेड, यू हैव योर प्रोफेशन सॉर्टेड, यू हैव योर पैशन सॉर्टेड, सिर्फ वोकेशन सॉर्ट करना है. तो आई थिंक यू हैव फिगर्ड आउट योर पर्पज ऑफ योर लाइफ. नोइंगली और अननोइंगली मैं ऐसा इस चीज को ऐसे देखता हूं. दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज लाइक कि मुझे फरीन के साथ शूट करना है, बिकॉज अगर मैं इकिगाई का कॉन्सेप्ट अपने क्रिएटिव शॉर्ट्स की सीरीज में डाल रहा हूं तो फरीन की स्टोरी ही उसमें आप बैठती है. एंड आई एक्चुअली वेटेड फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 4 months फॉर योर डेट्स.
I know.
So
I know. I'm so sorry.
no, I'm not trying to embarrass you. I'm just telling you that's why it's so important. I'm so glad that we are doing this. So क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत रेयर स्टोरीज मिलती हैं आपको जहां आप ये बता सको कि सी दिस पर्सन हैज फिगर्ड आउट. मुझे नहीं पता कि आपने कभी अपनी लाइफ को इस तरह से देखा है या नहीं देखा, बट जब मैंने आपकी लाइफ को इस तरह सुना मुझे लगा कि इकिगाई का कॉन्सेप्ट दैट दिस गर्ल हैज फिगर्ड आउट हर इकिगाई. That's why she's so sorted and happy and she doesn't give a fuck around and that's why people attract to you कि जो भी उसकी personality है. And I've also fallen in love with your brain जो हमने बात करी है. So I think that's the reason. Second thing, इकिगाई ढूंढते कैसे? तो बुक कहती है, और अगर आप बहुत सारे इंटेलिजेंट लोगों को सुनोगे कि वो कहेंगे कि लाइफ का पर्पस कैसे ढूंढते हैं, तो वो बोलेंगे स्टार्ट स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद योरसेल्फ. The more you start spending time with yourself, you'll figure out your purpose of your life. And I think you were able to do that. That's why you have reached this position. What do you think? Am I making sense?
I don't know. I just personally feel that not just for me, okay, as a human being, I think the crux, एक छोटा सा crux is everybody's got different personalities, everybody's a different person. But there's one thing in common which everybody is craving for and loves, that is peace of mind, right? And peace of mind or being at peace with yourself. And I feel the moment you give yourself the opportunity, even if it's probably 5 minutes or 10 minutes in a day, to feel that with yourself, that is when, even if things are not sorted, you will still be at peace with yourself, because you have that acceptance in you, that acceptance, that understanding that highs, lows, fame, no fame, you know, all these things, sad, bad, happy, good, all these adjectives that are there in the world, they are going to exist for your entire life. What I might think is the worst moment of my life right now, probably I might, and I know probably there will come a phase where there will be something which might be worse than this at that point of time, you know. And I think the moment you realize that,
you want to articulate a little bit more, you want to simplify it a little bit more.
Okay, so to simplify that, it's like you're going to have, it's simple acceptance. You're going to have happy days, you're going to have sad days, you're going to have bad days, you're going to have days when you feel very loved, you're going to have days when you feel very cheated, you're going to have failures, you're going to have success, you will have very busy days, you will have very boring days. Common in everybody's life.
True.
Common adjectives of everyone's life, right? So when these things are going to happen continuously, repeatedly in your life, why not just focus on that one thing that is supposed to stay amongst all of those things, which is peace with yourself?
Got it.
I will not say that, you know, just learn to be happy with yourself, because you cannot always be happy. Right? I cannot just be like, अरे दुनिया में जो हो जाए हमेशा खुश रहो. नहीं रह सकते यार. सच है ये. नहीं रह सकते. But can you be at peace with yourself even when you are in your lowest days? And you can be at peace with yourself simply when you know who you are and you're true to yourself. So just focus on that one thing. Let everything else come and flow by.
Got it.
So if it makes sense, it makes sense. I don't know. I don't know. This thing kind of has, I mean, helped me a lot, I would say. Like, I feel emotions. I feel sad. I feel happy. I even cry. I even laugh. But, you know, I know that once that moment is there or that moment is gone, it's gone. Like, I laughed 5 minutes back. I laughed 5 minutes back.
मुझे 2 गाने याद आ रहे हैं. मैं एक तो जिंदगी ना मिले दोबारा का गाना है, अब मैंने जीना सीख लिया, जावेद अख्तर ने लिखा है। अगर आप लिरिक्स सुनोगे उसके जाके तो आपको पता लगेगा कि आपने जो बात कही है कि लाइफ में हंसी खुशी सब चलता रहता है, तो वो उस लिरिक्स, उस गाने का एसेंस वही है। और दूसरा, मेरे डैड बहुत पसंद करते हैं गाना आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, विच यू जस्ट सेड कि आई जस्ट लाफ्ड।
कभी कभी मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही हूँ, कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है ना, इफ यू लुक एट योर लाइफ फ्रॉम, you're standing on a street, a very random example, you're standing on the street, you're looking at cars pass, that's basically all the people, all the things that are just passing in your life. And when you start thinking about what has gone, you are in that position. You are just standing there. The only difference is you either let it pass, or with every car or everything that is passing, you let it affect you. So it's not easy. It's not like ऐसे किया and then यार सब sort हो गया. मेरे साथ भी नहीं होता है, but yeah, I mean, the more I talk about it, I feel the more I embed that habit in me, and it kind of make things better for me. There are two ways of looking at life. One is this is how life is supposed to be, and one is this is my life. I will make it how I want to make it. So you make that choice.
Amazing. Seriously, you're so free-headed and open-minded person. It's really inspiring to have a conversation with you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing this. I'm so glad to have you here. I had a really great time. I hope you also had a great time. Thank you so much.
I really did have a great time. Like, look at my smiling face. I literally spent my Sunday talking about art and philosophy and, you know, things that just make you happy. And like, I mean, it's like one of those live sessions where I'm just telling people that, yeah, just be yourself, be happy, itna pressure nahi lena hai. So I'm like really happy, and it was really, I mean, first of all, thank you so much for, I don't know, I still don't know why did you have this thing of wanting to have me here, but thank you. Like, genuinely, thank you. Thank you. I mean, yeah, you told me a reason, but you know, this person who's sitting here is very finds it difficult to accept things. So, you know, when people talk ऐसे, but हाँ ठीक है, मतलब जो भी है, I'm like really happy to be here. I'm so happy to have this conversation, and thank you for believing that I fit in those categories. And yeah, I think I'll also start believing that now.
I'm glad.
Thanks.
Thank you so much. I'm changing your name from Fareen Kolkata to Fareen Mastrao. That's the mantra that Fareen has given out to all of us. Mastrao. ठीक है?
Mastrao.
Chill करो.
Chill करो, pressure मत लो, pressure दो.
Thank you so much for listening to this podcast. I hope this conversation with Fareen, aka the art head, helped you to understand how we can create a balance between our passion and profession to lead a purposeful life. It's just about having enough self-awareness so that you can correctly prioritize your core values. To help you know yourself better, there is a link to a self-awareness exercise given in the description below. आप सभी को जरूर चेकआउट करना चाहिए. This is the end of chapter 6. अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करो, शेयर करो, और जहाँ भी आपने ये सुना है उस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. I'll see you next week with chapter 7, जिसमें मैं बात करूँगा the famous concept 4 kinds of luck and how to control them के बारे में, जिसे सीख कर आप अपनी लाइफ में endless opportunities attract कर पाओगे.